Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install the Tor browser. Now, Tor browser allows us to browse privately and to avoid monitoring or tracking as far as what websites we visit. And we can use this together with the VPN for privacy. I'm gonna begin by installing Tor. So Tor is it's just gonna ensure that the Tor services run smoothly on our Kali Linux machine. Let's begin by updating the repositories or packages, and then we'll install Tor. So it's gonna be sudo apt install Tor, Y for yes. Now once this is done, we now need to open a browser, a web browser, and actually download the Tor browser. So let me minimize this and open a browser here. Let me go to Google and we'll look for download Tor browser. We'll go to the link that takes us to torproject.org. So this is the official website for Tor. We'll click on this link. Once we get to this page, we have different options depending on which operating system you're trying to install it on. Since we're installing it on Linux, we'll click on this option that says download for Linux. Okay, it's not too big of a file. So it looks like it's done downloading, and as you can see, it's a compressed tar file. We need to unzip it, or we need to extract the file. We'll close this window and open the terminal again. Now you need to navigate to your downloads folder and do ls. And let's see if we have the file here. It's right here. This is what we just downloaded. And like I said, it's a compressed tar file, so we need to unzip it. So there's different ways you can do it. You can do it from here, and the easiest way is to go through the file system and extract it there. You can also run a command on here to extract it. So let's do that option. Let's go to the file system and go to downloads, and this is the file we have. So to extract it, right click on it and say extract here. And we can delete this one, so I'll move to trash. We no longer need it. And now let's go back in here and see what we have. We do ls. This is what we get. So this is the resulting folder or directory we get once we do the extraction. Now we can cd to it and then do ls, and we have another directory, and then we have this file right here, and we can actually use this to launch the Tor browser. And inside this here, we have the scripts for the Tor browser. So let's go ahead and launch the Tor browser. We can launch it from here, or we can actually come here, and if we go back to downloads and go to this folder, you can click on this to launch it. So let's use this option, clear. To launch it, we'll do // and then start browser desktop. And there you go. We are able to launch the browser. Now you have an option to connect or to configure. Now, if you try to connect and you run into issues, you might need to configure your browser. Let's connect first. So depending on your location, you might get a warning, but we didn't get a warning. So we were able to open it. Let's launch it again and see the options under configure. If you wanted to configure it, that's what you click, and then if you're running into issues, you might have to select a bridge and use a bridge and see if that's going to work for you. So you come here and select maybe one of these or this or this, and then after you have that selected, you can try and connect. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been useful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.